Hey YouTube, St. Frank here. Today going to be opening up one last pack of 2020 Bowman Draft Super Jumbo. That's an empty box there. It's been pretty fun. I try to open up a box of Bowman Draft every year. This is the first year I've tried a Super Jumbo. Get a ton of cards, and there's one autograph per pack. So if you go to your local hobby shop and they have they sell them by the pack, you're going to get auto if you get the pack there. So, whoa, there's an out of 5 Bryson Stott. I thought that was red, but it was paper. 5 out of 5 red on the paper card there. So that's a nice little hit. He's a pretty good player. Jordan Westberg. It's not his Bowman first, though. Espino, Cole Henry, Jay Groom, Casey Schmidt, Colt Keith, Mason Wynn, Brandon Dat, Connor Phillips, Mitchell Parker, Hudson Haskin, Ryan Murphy, Casey Martin, Joe Ryan, Blake Rutherford, Jesse Franklin, Travis Swaggerty, Landon Knack, and then there's that red Bryson Stott. It's pretty cool. It's red and it's the Phillies. Pretty cool combo there. Takoa Roby, Matthew Liberatore, Quinn Cotton, Jordan Adams, Zach DeLoach, Michael Toglia, Trent Palmer, Julio Rodriguez, Sam Weatherly, D.L. Hall, Heston Gerstad, Daniel Lynch, Daniel Cabrera, Hayden Cantrell, Brennan Davis, Bruce Bowman, Hunter Green, Holden Powell, Adley Rushman. Our Chromes. There's a Ronaldo Hernandez refractor, Hunter Barnhart, J.J. Bleday, Zach Daniels, Zach Veen insert, Spencer Strider, Jared Schuster, Shane McClanahan, Patrick Bailey, Jordan Groshans, Emerson Hancock, Francisco Alvarez, Jordan Walker, Jackson Kowar, Bryce Jarvis, Jordan Belazovich, Nick Gonzalez, O'Neal Cruz, Nick Lofton, Milan Tolentino, Nick Swiney, and Bryce Jarvis. Alright, here's the pack odds, by the way. There should be auto on this little pile here. So I think that's our. We'll get the paper off of here and look at it. Got George Kirby, Mike Ciani, Gerard Encarnacion, David Calabrese, Nolan Gorman, Trey Cruz, Brett Beatty, Addison Coffey, Alec Thomas, Ronnie Mauricio, Nico Holsizer, Owen Miller, Zach Veen, Ryan Jensen, Luis Gill, Drew Romo, Ian Bedell, Bobby Miller, RJ Dabovich, Adam Seminaris, Jimmy Glowinski, Nick Lodolo, O'Neal Cruz, Nick Lofton, Christian Robinson, Tyler Freeman, Quinn Priester, Corey Lee, Alex Santos, Shea Langoliers, Nick Garcia, Grayson Rodriguez, Xavier with a Z, Warren, Tyler Brown, Ryan Rollison, Justin Lang, Joe Boyle, Logan Allen. Alright, here is our color with auto. Looks like we might have a color auto in this last pack. Brandon Flate, Trey Cruz, Bryce Jarvis, Jordan Belazovich, Tigers feature, Shane Baz, Carson Tucker, Christian Chamberlain, Jordan Westberg, Daniel Espino, Cole Henry, Jay Groom, Anthony Volpe, Caden Polkovich, C.J. Abrams, Jordan Nwogo, Hunter Bishop, Austin Hendrick, Oswald Peraza, Pete Crow Armstrong. We got green Matthew Liberatore, and a blue wave looks like another pitcher. Reed Detmers. I do like Reed Detmers, though. For the Angels. That's a nice looking Blue Wave auto. And Matthew Liberatore green. I like Matthew Liberatore also. Have some nice Liberatore cards. And the Reed Detmers. I think he might have been a first round pick. Yeah, number 10 pick, Reed Detmers. Alright, stay tuned for more videos. Oh, and that one is, by the way, 7 out of 150. Alright, stay tuned for more videos.